How to fix could not connect to your camera or microphone on Messenger. Let's get started. Open your settings app. Now head towards the option of Messenger. Now over here you will find this option of microphone and camera. Toggle off for these options. Now wait for a few seconds and then toggle on for these options. Once you enable for these options, you can close this. Now open your Facebook app. Head towards the menu page. Scroll down. Click on the option of settings and privacy. Go to the option settings. Scroll down. Under preferences, you will find the option of media. Open it. Toggle off for this option of in-app sound and again toggle it on. For the video quality option, set it to optimized. Likewise for autoplay, set it to on mobile data and Wi-Fi. Toggle off for these options. Video start with sound and stories start with sound and again toggle it on. Now you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. So this is how you can fix could not connect to your camera or microphone on Messenger. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.